In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom events in HubSpot. This process is essential for tailoring your HubSpot experience to better fit your business's unique needs, allowing you to track and analyze events that matter most to you. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot. Open up your browser and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. This will make finding the icons we need much easier. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen, where you'll see a navigation bar. We're going to click on the marketing icon here. This icon is crucial because it's the gateway to all the marketing tools that HubSpot offers for managing campaigns, content, and more. Once you've clicked on the marketing icon, look for and click on the option labeled Events. This is where you can create and manage all your marketing events. If you're new to this, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you through the process. With the Events page open, you'll see an option to Create Marketing Event. Clicking on this will take you to the form where you can input all the necessary details for your custom event. This is where the fun begins, as you can start customizing your event to match exactly what you need. Let's start filling in the details. First, you'll enter the name of your event. Be sure to choose something descriptive so that anyone on your team can easily identify what the event is about. Following that, there's a space to provide a brief description. This part is optional but highly recommended, especially if your event is complex or has specific goals set. This can be helpful for keeping everyone aligned. Next, select the type of event you're hosting. HubSpot provides a variety of options here, so choose the one that best describes your event. This helps with categorization and later analysis of the event's impact. After that, you'll need to set the start and end dates for your event. These dates are important as they define when the event will take place and when it will conclude. Being precise here will help with tracking participation and the event's timeline. Now, let's add the organizer's name. This is typically either the person responsible for the event or the point of contact for any questions attendees might have. Input the name clearly so there's no confusion about who to reach out to. Lastly, once all the fields are filled and you're satisfied with the details, click on Create. This finalizes the process and saves your custom event in HubSpot. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom event in HubSpot. Remember, customization is key to making the most of HubSpot's tools, so take advantage of these options to fine-tune every event to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy event planning.